Hello. Today we're going to finish the electromagnetic spectrum. So we've definitely we've gone through radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves, and visible light. So today we're going to do the last three: UV rays, X rays, and gamma rays. So ultraviolet light, you've definitely heard before. We studied the ozone layer. We said that was our protection from UV rays. And ultraviolet light comes from the sunlight. All right, too much exposure to those waves can be harmful, as you know. It can cause skin cancer, problems with your eyes like cataracts, blindness. But we need these waves because they produce a natural vitamin D in our body. So, where they are harmful, too much can be harmful, too little can also be harmful because we need that vitamin D. UV light is also used by powerful telescopes like the Hubble telescope. And here's the Hubble telescope, and here are some of the images. And if you click on Saturn over here, you'll see some of the other images from the Hubble. They're beautiful, distant galaxies, up close pictures of planets. The Jupiter picture is really nice as well. So if you're interested, you can click on that, see some pictures. Next, we have the X-rays. Scientists think of these rays more as particles than waves, but they're very useful, as you know, in the medical industry because they can go through soft tissue and they go through skin and muscle, but not your bone, right? So you can kind of get a picture. It's kind of like seeing through your skin. You can get this picture because it goes through the skin and the muscle, and you have a picture of your bones left. So remember, now we're getting closer to the end of the spectrum that has the waves that are coming more frequent. The more energy these waves have, the more increased radiation they have. So if you remember going to the dentist and they take x-rays, or going to the doctor, they always put like a lead blanket around you, or they walk out of the room. That's because you don't want too much radiation. So these waves that have more energy have increased radiation that you don't want to be exposed to for too long or too much of. And gamma rays, they're the shortest wavelength in the spectrum, but they have the highest frequency, which means they have the most amount of energy and the most amount of radiation in the EM spectrum. These rays are sometimes used in the treatment of cancer to kill off the bad cells, but they also kill good cells. And in the food industry, they kill bacteria so food doesn't spoil as fast. Is that good? I'll do 50-50 on that. These waves are high in radiation, extremely high in radiation. So that is the electromagnetic spectrum: radio waves, microwaves, infrared waves, visible light, ultraviolet waves, X-rays, and gamma rays. So now here is a brain pop video that I'd like you to watch, and then you have some questions here based off that video. And then here is just a review of the magnetic spectrum. You're going to drag and drop. So here you're going to put the types of waves in order, and I did one for you, and then their uses. So let's say microwave, you put that there, and then come over here and read communication for TV and radio, and wherever you think that goes, you put that down here. So you want to do the top layer first in order, and then the bottom layer. All right. This can also be found on page 222 in your book. Have a good day.